Here we are at a different viewpoint. There's a bunch of snow geese right here in front. You can hear them. And then back behind them you can see some cranes. I can hear some ducks too, but I don't see them.